Hi everybody, I'm Nhung. Today I want to talk about lesson 2. Always believe in yourself. If you want to succeed, you have to believe in yourself. You have to be confident. You can't be afraid or have doubts. If you want to master English, you must first believe that you can. You will never succeed if you doubt yourself. You will never master English. If you think it's too hard or you are not talented enough, the best way to believe in yourself is to use positive talk. Always say, I can, I will, I must, I believe. This positive word will change your mind and build your self-confidence. No matter what you do, always trust yourself and always believe in yourself. You will succeed.